Hello students, now I'll be starting with question number 4 of exercise 13.2. Now question number 4 says express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form. Okay, so here we will have to express this in exponential form, but before doing this we will have to find the prime factors. Okay, so let us find the prime factors of 108. Now, since the last digit is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again, it will be divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. 27 will be divisible by 3. So, 3 9s are 27. And 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Okay, so these are the prime factors of 108. So let us write that. How many 2's? We have 2 2 and 1 2 3. 3 3's. Okay. Now we have multiply sign. We have to find the factors of 192. So since the last digit is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So these are the prime factors of 192. So we will write the factors of 192. Will be 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 2's, 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 3. Okay, now we will write in exponential form. See, here we have 2 twice, so power of 2 will be 2. Okay, and 3 is repeated thrice, so power of 3 will be 3. Okay, now here we have 6 2's, so power of 2 will be 6 and 1 3, so we will write this. Now we have 2 base 2 and 3, isn't it? Now when see, in between multiply sign is there, so when we have same base, that means when you are taking this and this, we have the same base as 2, so power will be added as in between multiply sign is there, so we will write the base at first and we will add the powers, which is 2 and 6. Okay, and another base is 3 and the power of 3 here is 3 and here is nothing, means 1, so 3 plus 1, so it will be 2 raised to the power 8 into 3 raised to the power 4. Okay, so this is the answer of the first part. Now coming to the next part. Now in the next part we have 270. So at first, and we will have to write this in exponential form. So at first we will have to find the prime factorization. Okay, so 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. Now as last digit is 5, so it won't be divisible by 2 further. If you just find the sum of the digits, so 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9 and 9 is divisible by 3, so it will go by 3. So 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 15s are 45, 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. Okay, so here we have 1 2 and 3 3's and 1 5. Okay, so this is in multiplication form, but we have to write in exponential form, that means in power form. Since there is only 1 2, so 2's power will be 1, or we can write it as 2. Okay, and 3 is repeated 3 times, so 3's power will be 3. 5 is also repeated 1 time, so we will write 5. Okay, so this is the answer of the second part. Now coming to the third part. Now in the third part we have two numbers, 729 multiplied by 64, and here we will have to find the prime factors. So let us start with 729. Okay, now as the last digit is odd, so it won't be divisible by 2, And if you find the sum of the digit, 9 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 7 is 18. So it will be divisible by 3. So 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Now if you find the sum of the digit, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9. So this is again will be divisible by 3. So 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. Now 8 plus 1 is 9 again. So it will be divisible by 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. Okay. Now 3 9s are 27, then 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. Now we will find the prime factors of 64. As the last digit is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 16s are 32, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. Now we will write the factors of 729. So how many 3's appeared here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now we will write the factors of 64. So here 2 appeared. 2 is appeared 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now here, since 3 is multiplied 6 times, so power of 3 will be 6, and 2 is multiplied 6 times, so power of 2 also will be 6. So it will be 3 raised to the power 6 multiplied by 2 raised to the power 6. Now here we can apply law of exponents. How? Like see here, 2 different base but the power is same. So when we have 2 different base and power is same and in between multiply sign is there, then we just multiply the base and write the power one time, isn't it? So here we will just multiply the base, which is 3 and 2, and power is 6, so it will be 6 to the power 6. Okay. Now in the last part we have 768. So let us find the prime factors at first. So since the last digit is even number, so it will be divisible by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Again it will be divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4. Again we'll take 2. 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12. Then 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 12, 2 12s are 24. Then 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. Now let us write the prime factors of 768. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 2's. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and we have 1, 3. Okay. Now we will have to write in exponential form. Now as 2 is multiplied 8 times, so power of 2 will be 8. Now there is only 1 3. So it will be 2 raised to the power 8 multiplied by 3. So here is the prime factors in exponential form. Okay, so this was all about question number 4. Thank you students.